Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and in today's edition of What's on the Porch, it's BoxyCharm time. I have received my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of February. This is a little bit different, y'all. BoxyCharm, treat your heart out. Except for it has no information on it. And it says epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you about it. Very interesting. So all of the products in the box that I could put on my face are on my face. Let's get right into it. Let's start out with the two products that I did not use. This is the Refreshments Velvety Body Cream, and it is unscented. And I did not open this. This retails for $14. The only Refreshment product that I have tried so far has been their deodorant. I was sent that, I don't remember whether it was in an IPSY box. I believe it was in an IPSY box. And so far I like it. I have an issue with cleaner deodorants, and that one did not irritate my skin, so that's the only thing I've tried. I am not going to open this and try it because I have a ton of body creams and lotions, and since this is unscented, I'm going to save it and give it to somebody who has issues with fragrances in their skincare. I did get to choose two products for my box, and this is one of the products that I chose. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Redness Relief Serum, and it retails for $60. And I am not going to use this product either. I don't have a problem with redness in my skin. It comes in a very nice glass bottle with a pump on it. And you can see the serum. Is it a serum? Yes, you can see the serum there in the bottle. I wasn't real crazy about my other choices, so I went ahead and chose this because my daughter does have a problem sometimes with redness in her skin, so I am going to send this to her. Ren, as far as I know, is a good brand. They are a clean skincare brand. I know a lot of people have a problem with the clean. That's why I keep doing that. One of the things that I really like about them is they are very conscientious of our planet, and I love that. Clean to skin, clean to planet. Love it. All of the rest of the products in my box are all makeup. So we'll go in order now of how I put the products on my face. This is the Ciate London Royal Edit 24-piece eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $48. I'm not sure if this is a limited edition or just a royal edition. It says create the ultimate royal looks with Ciate London's Royal Edition eyeshadow palette. Mix and match the silky pigment mattes with the super shimmery metallics to create countless eye looks. Apply over primed lids with fingertips or use small eyeshadow brush for precision application. It does come with a shade saver, and this is what the palette looks like. Very, very pretty palette. I was actually pleasantly surprised. Some of these Ciate London palettes that I have used in the past were okay. This one performed a lot better than what I have been used to in the past. So I'm interested to see how long this eyeshadow will last on my eyes, or if it will just, you know how some eyeshadows will just disappear. It's like, where did they go? But this performed very nicely, and I love this diamond shade that is what I have in my inner corner. Is absolutely gorgeous. So far I'm very impressed with this palette. Very nice. Next is the Secret Garden 3D Blush and Glow palette from Eloise. And I chose this palette. This retails for $55. And I've not used a lot of Eloise products. But oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. There's something about embossing and makeup that just gets to me. It is so pretty. It was nice and pigmented, and it went on really well on my cheeks. It does have a little bit of a glow to it. Look at that. That is this one here. I use this one down here. This is this one. Very, very pretty. Love that shade. And it definitely has like a satin sheen to it, which I don't normally like in my blushes, but we're going to give it a try and see what happens. Sometimes I can take a bronzer once I put my blush on and just kind of go over it a little bit. It doesn't take all of the sheen away, but it does take some of it away. So I'm excited to continue to use that. I have not used a lot. Did I say that? I've not used a lot of Eloise products. And then we have this Ciate London Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this retails for $19. And this is in the shade Obsession. And that's what that looks like. And that is what I have on my lips, the first coat that I put on. This is made in Italy, it says. Went on super easy, velvety smooth. It does not feel like that I have anything on my lips, so very, very comfortable. One of the things that I don't care for in a liquid lip is that it feels very drying, and after a little while my lips just feel like they need a ton of moisture. So far I'm impressed with that. And then the last item in my box is this Pout Perfect liquid lipstick from Ace Beaute, and this retails for $17.99. This is in the shade Manifest, and I love the presentation. Look at how pretty that is. Love the packaging. Very nice presentation. This is what the packaging looks like. Isn't that super cute? And then it just twists. And there's your product. And I used this since it was kinda sorta the same tone. I mean, it's got just a little bit of a rosy tint to it, but it's very nude, and I thought that it would just make a very nice ombre lip. So that's what I tried to do, and it didn't turn out too terribly bad. So this as well is extremely comfortable. I cannot feel anything on my lips. So even though this has no information on it, I did look up all of the products, and my box comes to $213. I think right now I signed up for 6 months. I'm paying with tax and a handling fee like $41 a month. $213 worth of products for $41 is a good deal. I like everything I got. No issues with my box. I'm having issues with my hair though. What is happening here? I don't know. I think it looks really nice. I love that steel gray shadow that I put in the center, and then the diamond that I put on the inner corner. I love how that looks. Very, very pretty. I can't wait to find out what the epic news is that's coming. I wonder when that's coming. Did they say? Nope. But it says the biggest beauty news of the year. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching me use my BoxyCharm Premium products for the month of February. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that bell so you get notified the next time I upload a new video. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, since I'm going to send that Redness Relief Serum to your sister, do you need some Velvet body cream that's unscented so that, you know, you can still be silky baby smooth, but the fish won't be able to smell you sitting on the side of the pond? Do fish smell? They have a nose. They have gills. They won't be able to taste you. Maybe I'll throw it in her box. Mama loves you, boo.